Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about top 5 free resources available for programming. The first free resource available for programming is Coursera. So Coursera is an online learning platform. So it's an American platform where various universities offer certain courses. Most of the courses are paid, but there are few free courses available. And if your college or university is part of this Coursera learning platform, then you might get most of the courses for free. The next free resource is W3 Schools. So basically it's a website where you get well organized tutorials on how to start programming in CSS, JavaScript, Python, C, C++ and various other programming languages. The next is Java T-Point. Java T-Point is similar to W3 Schools. So it is also a website where you get tutorials on various technologies and programming languages such as C, C++, Java and many more. So either of this anybody can use. So either W3 Schools or Java T-Point. Programmers.com. So this is my personal favorite. Why? Because compared to other websites, this is a free website where you get a summary of all the programs. Like it comes from the beginner level to advanced level. So it comes from absolute basics to expert level programming examples, which are very good whenever you are preparing for interview, because mostly the questions are like common, like there are certain common questions which most of us encounter in our interviews. So programmers.com is the best website where you get almost all programming languages are available in programmers. The next is Stack Overflow. So Stack Overflow is actually a community where most of the developers, like who have keen interest in programming, so there many experts, many developers connect to each other. And why am I suggesting this as the free resource is, if when you start programming you get a lot of doubts and you might not have a mentor or a guide to guide you or to correct your mistakes. So Stack Overflow is one such platform where you can ask certain questions and you will get multiple answers from experts across the world. So that's why you need to create a Stack Overflow account to start exploring this platform. So we all know that internet is vast and we are having a lot of free resources available on the web. So it's up to you which resources are you feeling comfortable, are you like which one is completely you are understanding. So you can choose one or two resources. So why am I saying this is because you shouldn't waste time researching about it. So just trust one resource and just go through the whole website and start programming. This is a bonus tip. So there's a common question asked, that is which programming language should we learn first? So as a beginner, I would suggest that any programming language is completely fine unless and until you are comfortable in. And it is always a best practice that start exploring one programming language completely in depth and then you can go for other programming languages. Keep supporting, spread love, and stay tuned for more such videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. See you.